Do bananas grow on vines, plants, or trees? Even if you had been eating bananas for a long time, you would not have wondered how they are grown. They don't have seeds in them, so how is their new crop grown and harvested? Is a banana buried in the ground to form a banana tree? We know you are curious about how bananas are grown, harvested, and processed on farms. Even you want to know about the secret methods that the farmers use, right? Welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. The Mechanicals brings you engineering marvels and little-known farming techniques that are revolutionizing the world in one way or the other. If you are new to the channel but enjoy learning about how technology and innovation are shaping the world's future, you will love to watch the videos we post on this channel. In this video, we will tell you how farmers grow banana trees from potatoes and bananas and how the harvesting and processing are done. Let's get started. The very first step is growing a banana tree. Unlike other fruits with seeds, bananas are seedless, so they first need to be planted. If it had seeds, farmers would have planted them in the fields and waited for the tree to grow. However, that's not the case. Farmers, interestingly, use one banana to grow one banana tree. But how will a single banana turn and grow into a tree? Well, for that, farmers have to use different techniques which they invent by themselves. First, a banana is taken and planted into a small plastic container having soil, nutrients, and organic fertilizers. The covering of the banana should not be peeled off, and the upper end of the banana, from where it was attached to the bunch, should be buried in the soil. This will be the point from where a shoot will sprout and raise its head off the ground. However, this process is not that easy. When a banana is planted into a plastic container, it needs every nutrient to sprout into a little seedling. Therefore, some farmers use potatoes and other fruits and vegetables as organic fertilizers. A potato is taken and cut in half. A hollow space is created using a knife that can be where the banana will sit. Once that's done, potatoes carrying bananas are buried in the soil. However, farmers want to ensure that the banana gets sufficient nutrients, therefore, the cactus plant's leaves are taken, and its inner sticky matter is rubbed on the banana's shoot. Then the banana is buried in the soil, and water is given. The plastic container in which the banana grows should be covered with a plastic cover. This works as a little greenhouse, ensuring that the banana gets the optimum temperature to sprout and give rise to a growing shoot. After 1 month, a new shoot is visible, and thus, the banana with this new shoot is taken off the plastic container and planted into the fields. On a small scale, this planting is quite easy. However, when a whole banana farm is to be made, thousands of these bananas are planted, which takes time. You should note that bananas should be first grown in a greenhouse where they are provided with the optimum atmosphere for large-scale production. When they reach a height of 20 centimeters, they are then taken into fields and planted. Before we continue further, tell us, are you loving the video? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos where we unveil breathtaking engineering and farming techniques. Let's continue now. Once the planting has been done, an irrigation system is used to provide tens of gallons of water to every plant. The fields on which banana trees are growing should have a sufficient amount of water available, hence, farmers ensure to devise a watering system that fulfills their needs. After about 4 to 5 months, the banana plants will grow into medium-sized banana trees having protective layers at their shoots. Naturally, banana trees have evolved to grow this layer to protect the growing bunch of bananas. This is the point where banana bunches will grow, hence, the tree safeguards them by itself. However, farmers cover it with an additional plastic sheet that has holes in it. After flowering, banana trees will need about 9 more months to finally bring bananas. Trees grow bigger in size, and their weight can twist and even break their trees. To avoid that, farmers use a support frame whose strings are tied to the growing trees. Not only does this support help trees stand straight, but it lowers the weight on the growing stem as well. During the period of tree growing, farmers also give fertilizers to them as well, to prevent fungus diseases and reinforce growth. Then, farmers do the early deflowering. The protective layers of the shoots grow flowers that are hidden underneath. If these flowers are not cut, the tree might bring early bananas that won't be healthy and the ones the farmers want. Therefore, the protective layers are removed and the flowers are cut using scissors. It's the second flowering period that is allowed to bring bananas. After 4 to 5 months, banana bunches are visible. However, bananas are not ripened at this stage. Farmers place layers of plastic and foam underneath every banana layer of a bunch. This prevents sap stains from getting onto bananas and ruining them. Farmers roam in the banana fields to see whether any disease is harming any banana trees. The leaves with stains on them are manually removed, while some samples are collected to analyze in laboratories. Diseases of any kind must be prevented at this stage because bananas are just ready to be harvested. If any fungal disease develops, it can destroy the entire standing harvest. After 3 months of second flowering, the bananas are ready to be harvested. The layers of bananas in the bunches are covered with plastic sheets and foams to prevent bruises. Farmers manually cut the bunch at the end, and another worker takes the bunch to the next step. Once the bananas are harvested from the trees, they are mounted onto a cable car system, which easily takes them to the processing area. At the same time, the banana trees are cut and used as organic fertilizers in the next banana crop. Naturally, bananas are not individual, rather, dozens of them are on a single banana bunch. Every bunch is mounted on the cable car system by these farmers, and a mule runs it to create a sort of made-up conveyor belt. Farmers don't have to carry the heavy banana bunches because the cable car system is there for them. Perhaps, farmers can choose to use automatic machines to do the harvesting, but in most cases, manual harvesting is preferred. Since fields are quite congested and machines cannot be brought there, farmers have to hand-pick bananas for themselves. And this is quite beneficial as well. It should be noted that not all banana bunches are cut off. Rather, before they are cut, workers check whether bananas have ripened. Only those banana bunches are harvested that are ready. Hence, the harvest period is not a single-day process, rather, it can take weeks. The harvesting process continues for as long as the last banana in the field stands. Then starts the processing of bananas. Workers remove the foams and plastic coverings from the bunches and wash them properly. Before bananas can be divided into smaller bunches, they are inspected to see whether they have been affected by any disease. When the green signal is given, workers make small bunches by cutting a large bunch of bananas. They are then washed and sent on a conveyor belt where workers further redivide them into bunches of 5 to 7 bananas. Stickers showing the name of the banana farm are placed on the bunches then. Afterward, workers place these bunches in cardboard boxes with plastic sheets. Preserving the freshness of bananas is quite sensitive because they start to age once they are removed from trees. That's the reason why they look green and unripe. The time when they reach supermarkets, they get ripened and turn light yellow. Boxes are packed and warped, after which they are shipped all around the country. Did you know banana trees need potatoes to grow big? Would you want to grow bananas by planting a single banana? Well, you can get tens of bunches of bananas within 9 months. Comment right below in the comment section, would you like to visit a banana farm where harvesting is being done and bananas are being sent using a cable car system? Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to get more videos on technological feats and farming advancements that are changing the world. Until the next video, stay tuned.